Extremist clerics in Pakistan have called on Ahmadi Muslims to be hung or beheaded, for their women to be murdered to prevent more Ahmadi Muslims from being born, and even for the government of Pakistan to understand that if they do not act, the people will take matters into their own hands and kill Ahmadi Muslims themselves. And if anyone is in any lingering doubt whether this awful rhetoric extends just to calls for violence within Pakistan's borders, I refer them to the comments at one rally this year, where the following was said: "We have to strangle each and every Ahmadi. You have no idea how powerful this slogan is. You will raise it here, and Ahmadi will die in Great Britain." This abhorrent rhetoric, and it has no place in a democratic republic like Pakistan. And I know from conversations with many of my constituents, as well as Ahmadi Muslims across London, that it absolutely terrifies Ahmadi Muslims in Pakistan and here in the UK. Because rhetoric, as we too often forget, has consequences. Violent rhetoric becomes violence as surely night becomes day. And sure enough, violent hate crimes across Pakistan and around the world against Ahmadi Muslims are at shocking levels. This year, 4 Ahmadi Muslims were killed in a targeted manner. Tahir Iqbal, the president of a local Ahmadi Muslim community, was shot dead by 2 motorcyclists. Zaka Orayman, a dentist, was killed in his own clinic by 2 gunmen. In both cases, no perpetrators have been identified and brought to justice. And in Sadalpur, 2 Ahmadi Muslims, Ghulam Sawat and Rahat Ahmad Bajwa, were murdered in separate incidents on the same day. The alleged perpetrator, a 16-year-old student of a madrasa, confessed to the killings, citing religious reasons. 16 years old. I invite honourable members to recall the poisonous rhetoric that I've just outlined as why this young man must have been exposed to in order to carry out such a heinous act.